Olbudo Student Union has organized this two-hour dharna in front of the main gate of CIT, and this is the reason that in the last week, CIT has started its admission for diploma in BTech, and in these admissions, Olbudo Student Union has known, and we have come to know that due to hike in admission fees, which is an unprecedented hike comparison to the last year's admission fees, and that's why today we have seen that many students who have come for admission to CIT from the first counseling has gone back from CIT who are unable to pay such an unprecedented admission fee hike. And today, in comparatively, if you see, in the last year of admission fees, it was 12,790 for scheduled tribes, scheduled caste and PWD category, and for general it was 13,862. And today we have seen for SCs and STs it's 40,500 including hostel fees. And for general it is seen in diploma it is 48,000, and for BTech it is seen 69,000 for general, and for BTech for STs it is seen 53,500, and such an unprecedented hike of admission fees is totally seen to be as an economic subjugation, which is an economic injustice to the downtrodden economically poor students of this BTAD region. Because we all know that CIT is being established in this region after we had the long struggle of Bodoland movement, and the struggle of Bodoland movement which has cost lot of lives, rape in women, Bodo women, and we have widowed many women in this region, and we have martyred, BLT martyrs, NDP martyrs, M2 martyrs. After the long struggle, there is an accord with the BLT, with Government of India in Assam, and after this accord, this CIT was established, and after this establishment of CIT, we have seen that we have got an opportunity from this region. The students have got to study in this institute of higher education, BTech and diploma in technologies, and that's why today we come up, Olbudo students, and come up and claim and say and request the CIT administration that to minimize, to decrease and to go back to the admission fees which was taken earlier in the last year, from the last year sessions, and continue with the minimum fees that our students can afford. Because the very purpose, the very objective of establishment of the CIT is solely connected with the BTAD accord that has been signed with Government of India, BLT and Assam, and whereby it is an opportunity paving towards the backwardness of this region to develop an opportunities, to provide opportunities for higher education in this region. And Olbudo Students Union will never tolerate, have ever always raised voice against economic injustice, have always raised against the opportunity for the higher education, the opportunity for the quality education. And thereby, Olbudo Students Union from today, we set a warning that till the 4th of July, till the beginning of the starting of the second counseling, this admission fees issue has to be resolved, and the high in admission fees has to be minimized and it has to be decreased. And we request CIT administration, and we are sending a copy of memorandum to the director, to the registrar, to the CIT society president, and on we are sending a memorandum to the Board of Governors chairman to look into the entire matters which is connected towards the blood that has been toiled in this region to get this establishment of CIT in this region. And so we also see that in the NITs and IITs of India, we have seen that the tuition fees for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and those economically backward below 1 lakh income are being set for free tuition fees in the admissions. But in CIT today we have seen that tuition fees is the highest amount the students are amounted to pay, and thereby we oppose this. We have seen that in CIT the tuition fees is 15,000 and 7,500 in diploma, and in BTech we have seen 33,000 per semester and 17,500 per semester for those backward classes, and thereby this is total and economic injustice. This is going to be a totally economic subjugation, and we will never tolerate such a subjugation, such a discrimination towards the tribal population of this region and the entire northeast region, that we have to take this opportunity. We have to study here, and our students have to study here, and our students have to get opportunity to study and go up for higher education. And this is a deemed to be university right now, and our students have to get opportunity for the master's program in this institution. And with this, we will continue our struggle, we will continue our movement until and unless this demand for the fee decrease and minimizing of fees is being accepted by the authority.
Director of CIT, they have invited to discuss with.
He has invited us to discuss. We will go and meet the director, and whatever his opinion, whatever our demand is, we'll place our demand and we'll discuss. And there must be what we wish to have an amicable solution towards this fee hike, and where we don't want to see that our students are deprived from taking education in this institute. Our entire students from the BTH should not be deprived from a local higher technical education from CIT.